In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can differentiate this vitamin C serum, balanced vitamin C serum. So the name is long, so let me just read it for you. It is the Balanced Active Formula Vitamin C Brightening Serum Glow and Radiant Serum. So I'll be leaving a picture for you guys to see before I continue. Welcome back, guys. So yeah, this serum is a very great serum. It's a vitamin C serum that helps to even out the skin tone, helps to hydrate the skin and glow the skin. It is very amazing, but trust, there's always a fake. When you're in this part of the world, I don't know if it happens every in every other part of the world, but yeah, we tend to like face a lot of fake. When you see the original, you see the fake, and then you have to like find out which one is the original. So I'm going to be using pictures to show you guys, and then we'll talk through it. Okay. So guys, this is a picture and there's a lot to realize from the picture. I'll try if I could zoom it for you guys to see. So the first thing you're going to notice is the color. So the colors are different, and then when you see the packaging is different. So let's take the first one for example, which is like the first the front of the pack. So the front of the pack, you would notice that the original does not have that circle is already outlined there, where you see that zero and parabens, 0% dyes and all that. It doesn't have it. And then one thing you would notice again is the back. So when you come to the back, you would notice that the address is different. So the original is stating England, while the fake is stating UK. I know it's almost the same. And then you see the fake always also has Twitter and Facebook stuff there, while the original does not have. And then when you look at this other picture, you could see the real. This is where, yeah, another thing to notice at the back is that at the back of the fake, you will see this website, balanceactiveformula.com, while the one for original doesn't have that website there. Instead, their website is in the product at the back and the top. You can see made in England, sales at this www this, yeah. But then when you look at the fake, there is no website there and it's a different address. When you see this two product, trust me, you would feel the fake is actually the original just because of the way it looks. Guys, that's just how you know. So I think that's basically it. So just try look at it. If you're the one using this product, you can browse to know more about this product and get understand the fake from the original, and that way you will buy the right one, because a lot of products right now has fake. So if you don't know the original, you will go buy the fake thinking it's the original. If you don't like this video yet, please like my video and comment, guys. Also share. I love when I see your comments, and I love videos like this because I get lots of comments like, oh, I was about to buy the fake and your video helped me. And some people just be like, thank you for this video, now I can identify the real from the fake. And also, I just love to see your comments. I love to read your comments, and it makes me really happy. Trust me, I do not take this for granted at all. I really do love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.